This is the Iron Trader, TGIF. Well, another great week of trading that went on this week here. So today, as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, quantity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, let's just do a quick review here. We had a nice double bottom off of that candle there. Lined up really nice with this candle right here on the 31st. And then we put in a lower low here, and then it's been rising up ever since. Now you have to be careful here because just like yesterday when I pointed out there a possible bear flag, this is how this is looking here, okay? The key word here is possible, okay? We don't know that yet, but I say, now, if it can close above this 21 SMA, well, then that would negate the bear flag completely. So then what we do is we look to the top of these candles here. So you want to look there on this candle. You're looking at 72.33. You're looking at 73.28. We have this 50 sitting right above here at 73.81. And then your 100 SMA here is sitting at 74.76, is lining up real nice here with your price channel. Okay, a close above, then you got 78.50, which is your 200 SMA. But you see how your 200 SMA is not flattening out. Everything is like on a down slope, same with your 50 and your 100 SMA here. Now, the key thing on the downside is we want to watch this 8 SMA. Okay, you're sitting at $70.08. That's going to be very, very key support level there, okay? So then if that is lost, what we want to do is we want to look to the top of this candle right here. Okay, you're looking at 69.83, and then we'll look to the bottom of yesterday's candle. That's going to be always very, very key, the previous day's highs and lows. So then you want to look at 68.14, and then we want to look here at 68.07. Then we get down into this candle here. You're looking at 67.14, and then your big retest there is 66.80. Now, we got to see how this shakes out. If you can close above this key 21 SMA here, then you're in really good shape to go higher and probably even test that 50 SMA here. But just be careful. Always watch these patterns, something like this, where that could be a very possible bear flag. Not saying that it is. It's just possible. And sometimes that 21 day is too much resistance, and then she sells down and then retests. All right, so let's take a look here on your weekly and your monthly. Now, here you can see on your weekly, this is your very key level here of support, is you're looking at 67.37, okay? That is, so far it's holding up here pretty good here on a closing basis. That's the key. If not, then we look to the bottom of this candle here, looking at 65.38. 64.36, and then your big retest there at 63.64. On the upside, I'm just not crazy about how this 8 SMA is acting here. So you're just pushing the price down. You can see we're just going right on up. It needs to close above. If you can close above, then we look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 73.28. 73.55, and then we look to your 21 SMA there at 74.78. Then obviously if you can close above, you're looking at 81.18, and then your price channel there is looking at 83.53. So just keep watching these price channels because you're right in the range here. Right, you're on the lower end of the range right now here, but it's going to be this key 8 SMA and the 21 SMA that you really need to close above. And then watch this key support level here. The 200-day is always very, very strong support level. Now on your monthly, nothing's changed. It's just your 66.09 here. Your 50-day, then we're going to watch your 200 SMA there sitting at 72.74. All right, let's take a look here at the old natural gas. All right, here we have natural gas, your daily chart. All right, pretty much flat line here, but just watch these price channels. See, you got 2.685 on the top, 2.136 there on the bottom. Now, if you can close above this key 2.685 here, always look here to the left here. Okay, so then what we have here is you got 2.83, and then this is going to be a nice retest right there at 3.027. Okay, if you can get above, which would be sitting right around that area there. Then obviously we have a big target up here at 4.24. But watch the price channel, that's going to be key. And if you get above, that's a level we want to go to is 3.027 will be the target. Now today so far we have a higher high, but we're still within that channel there. So what we want to do is just watch all these SMAs. They're all real tight here, so they're all pretty much globbed together. You got 2.37, you got 2.28, you have 2.35, and then we have your 8-day sitting at 2.37. So they're all very, very tight in one level here. So hopefully, they can start crossing and then push that price on up here. But again, watch that key price channel, 2.68. That's going to be key. Now let's take a look here on the old weekly chart and the monthly. Okay, see, so on a weekly here, we're looking pretty good here. Okay, so if you look at the 8 SMA there, you're sitting at 2.35. Your 21, you're looking at 2.38. Pretty much the same thing as we had on the dailies. Everything right in that 2.3 area range here, just tightening right on up. But if you look at the thing, the price is above that. So then we always want to look at all these prices up here. Okay, that's your 2.68. And then you go right to basically to the left there, 2.83. And then there's that 3.027 sitting right there. Okay, so that's a really, really good, if it breaks to that 2.68, that would be the first target. And then obviously we can go up here to this 3.75 to 200 SMA if you can start getting this some momentum here. But still, you can still see it just sideways action. But it looks like it's maybe coming alive here. I'll be scalping the Boyle here today. I'll take a look at KOLD here if it wants to sell off here. But the scalping in this has been really, really good. Again, Boyle, I'm trading 10,000 shares. And I'm only looking to get anywhere from 10 to 25 cents. Yesterday got over 40 cents, which was really a good trading day. All right, I'll have more for you this after pit close there at 2:30. And thanks for watching.